Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, we are gonna do some quick and cool camera comparisons. And today's cameras are the Nikon Coolpix B500 and Nikon Coolpix B600. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, cameras, vlogging, and I put out new tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please consider subscribing. And in today's video, like I mentioned, I'm gonna compare my Nikon Coolpix B500 to the Nikon Coolpix B600. We're gonna try to find which camera works best. So if you're confused between these two cameras, this video is for you. And we're gonna score these two cameras based on various specs and features. I'm gonna find out which camera works best. So let the video begin. Sensor resolution, the B500 is a 16 megapixel camera and the B600 is also 16 megapixel, so 1.2 each. Sensor size, both cameras have the same sensor size, so they offer you equal depth of field at similar focal lengths and apertures. The sensor size is 1 by 2.3 inch sized BSI CMOS sensor. So we give a point to each. Price on Amazon India, the B500 may cost you around 17,130 rupees and the B600 may cost you around 20,800 rupees. Prices have increased a bit, but still the B500 will always be cheaper, so 1 point to the B500. ISO. The maximum ISO in the B500 is 3200 and the maximum ISO in the B600 is 6400. So the B600 will get a point, but according to me guys, in a point and shoot camera, if you raise your ISO above 400, you are likely to get a lot of grain in your images. It cannot be removed with Photoshop also sometimes. So I really doubt how these high ISOs of 3200, 6400 are gonna be of any use, but still the B600 gets a point. Optical zoom, the B500 has 40x optical zoom and B600 has 60x optical zoom. Video resolution, both cameras shoot in 1920 by 1080 at 30 and 60 fps. Still the B600 is a point ahead. Screen type, the Nikon Coolpix B500 has a tilting screen. It does not swivel to the side, but you can tilt it this way, so it is good for low angle, high angle shots. But the B600 has a fixed screen, so the B500 will get a point. With a single full charge, the B500 will give you around 600 shots and the B600 will give you 280 shots. So the B500 gives you 320 more shots with a single charge, but still we'll give it only 1 point today. Manual exposure, the B500 allows you to set your exposure manually, but the B600 does not. In the B500 you can do that by pressing the button to the right of OK and then adjusting your exposure accordingly. Minimum aperture, the B500 gives you the minimum aperture of f3 at its widest focal length of 23 mm and in the B600 at the widest focal length of 24mm, it gives you the minimum aperture of f3.3. So at f3, the B500 gives you faster aperture at 1mm wider focal length. Now I'm gonna talk about some common features of these two cameras. We're not gonna rate these specs because they're quite basic, but I think you guys need to know them. Both cameras have somewhat similar inbuilt flash, mobile and Wi-Fi connectivity, in-camera panorama, face detection, focus, LCD screen resolution of 921K dots, and image stabilization. Both cameras don't have a viewfinder, and you have to look at the screen at all times during photography. Both cameras don't have RAW support, meaning you have to click in JPEG only and not RAW. No manual mode, inbuilt GPS, no shoe for an external flash, no headphone or microphone jacket, and no touchscreen capabilities. Both cameras are almost of the same weight, size and build. So guys, as per our scoreboard, the Nikon Coolpix B500 is a clear winner because it offers me faster aperture, exposure control, a tilting screen and better battery life, and all this at a lesser price. The B600 gives me more optical zoom of 60x, but the 40x optical zoom of the B500 is also good enough. So guys, this was a comparison between my Nikon Coolpix B500 and Nikon Coolpix B600. And if you guys were confused about which camera to go with and were stuck between these two cameras, I hope my video cleared your doubts, guys. And if you want me to compare more cameras, guys, please leave your suggestions in the comment section. Need not necessarily be Nikon or Nikon Coolpix B500. Any cameras, any two cameras that you are stuck between and you want me to compare them for you, please leave your comments down below. And if you like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous B500 video. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.